So guys, Australian USD dollars, Australian USD is one of the currency in the forex market that respects trend line, that respects zones. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can at least catch the least 200 to 300 pips, even up to 1,000 pips when it comes to trading Australia USD. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this. I'm going to show you step by step and how from the top down analysis how you can catch the up to 1,000 pips from Australia USD. Without wasting much of your time, just hit me and hit just help me and hit the subscribe button, because this video today, I promise you, you are gonna enjoy it. After watching this video, you are never going to lose any trade on Australia USD. Let's go down. It doesn't matter if you are using your phone or your laptop, but I'm promising you that after watching this video, with your proper risk management, you are going to catch the least 100 to 300 pips in this in Australia USD, because of what it love respecting their trend. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in to the video. Okay, now let's go back to top down analysis. At least that the top down, one of the importance of top down analysis, that is helping to catch the trend, where the trend is going up to, where the trend is up to. So let's go back to the let's go to the monthly time frame. So I'm going to show you what is happening. So here is the monthly time frame, and what is going on here is that we found out that we are currently on a downtrend in the Australia USD, because we find out that this is what had been happening, and this was the recent high, the recent low, and this was the recent low. This was the recent low, and we actually broke that recent low during the pandemic, and through the pandemic 2020, I believe so, 2020, we broke this recent low here, and we expect market went up again, but it was not able to break this recent high here. It had been maintaining this recent high, and when you find out, when you look properly, you find out that the market has currently been on a downtrend. The Australia USD has been on a downtrend, because you can see my trend line. This is how the market goes. We are not be able to break this recent higher. If we was able to break recent high, we consider that the market is on uptrend, but it has not been able to break this recent high. So guys, we are still continuing that this market is on a downtrend. Let's go down to the weekly time frame so we can see what the market are clear as of what market hold. So on this strategy, what you need to do, you need to first of all identify the higher time frame from the monthly and identify the trend of the market, because you are not to go against the trend, you are to go with the trend. And with my experience on Australia USD, that be one of the peers that I love respecting the round number. I love respecting round number and figures. So I'm going to tell you how, with the strategy step and step, and how you are going to be able to take these peers, and even if you concentrate on this pair and practice these strategies in your demo account, I believe you, with your patience and your risk management, you are going to be making nothing less than 300 pips from this. If you are patient enough, you can even get up to 1,000 pips, because let me just say from this from where the market is now, and we are expecting the trend to move now. Let me just see how many pips that we will be expecting from there. Okay, just imagine guys, we'll be expecting at least um we'll be expecting at least 1,334 pips. 1,334 pips. That is what we will be expecting there, if you are patient enough, because on this move, after this strategy, you're going to find out that the next move of this market is going to be landing here. Going to be landing here is where we'll be expecting this market to land to from this trend line in this market, this liquidity level here. That is where it's going to be landing very soon, because we don't see market breaking there. Even if you break, market can decide to do whatever its own, but just follow me gradually. You're never going to regret. So we are currently on the weekly time frame, and on this weekly time frame, let me uh, that you find out that in this weekly time frame, you find out that the market has tested this level, and they tested this level too. This one of the strategy that I'm telling you now. It has tested these levels. It has tested this level, and believe me that this level has not been tested, and that is actually where this market is coming to test now. So, and that's where this market is coming to test now. And when we say let us apply our Fibonacci to see what the uh what the level holds for us, to see how we can be able to spot the level Fibonacci retracement, and we from this recent high, and let's see what it's going to do. So guys, so we're expecting this market to be at the 61 retracement level, because of one of the reasons, because we can find out that the reason is that we can find out that this there is a structure here. There is a structure here that is expecting this market to be, and there is also a structure here. So we are finding out that this market will go a strong, and believe me, there is a liquidity level here that the market is coming to peak again. That the liquidity level that the market is coming to peak again. Without having that in mind, let us mark out this level now. This is one of the strategy. You need to mark out your the liquidity level that the market has not picked. So today I'm making this video, so if you're able to spot this opportunity in time, because what the market, I believe this is where the market is going to coming to pick this liquidity level, going to pick this liquidity. So this is where the market is coming now. This market, what we're expecting from it is that it will be able to pick this liquidity level from here. The market will be able to pick this liquidity level. The market will be able to pick this liquidity level here. It will be able to pick this one, this liquidity. I'll be able to pick it here, and the remaining one is this one. So based on how Australia USD work, based on how Australia USD work, and we're expecting that this market is going to test here, making it double top, and after a double top, we're going to see a rejection, and the market is going to rally down. And if you are able to spot this, when this market will get to this level, previous liquidity level, I'm going to rally down. I'm telling you that you are going to be catching nothing less than 1,300 pips, with if you are patient enough to the trade. So because forex marketing is all about patience. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see what is happening there. So you can still find out that what is happening here is that the market will be actually be retesting these levels. Market will be coming down to this level. Market will be coming down to this level now to test this particular resistance here, resistance here, and we're going to see something rally down. Without wasting much of your time, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame so you can see the clear direction of what the trend is having to us. So if you're having if you're getting value on this trade, don't help me and hit the subscribe button. Don't help me and hit the subscribe button, because definitely I believe you'll be catching this peep. So number one instruction is that you make sure that you first of all spot the recent high, the liquidity level on the higher time frame, which I've showed you how to spot it. And then when you find out again, you find out that in this current market, the market has broken this structure. The market has broken this structure. So we'll be wanting this market to test this resistance here. This is going to be a resistance. So if you're able to place your pending order here, so when the market makers will be picking their level, also you will be picking the, or you can wait for a reversal confirmation like double top and head and shoulder pattern on this on the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, and make sure that the market reverse is on your favor with your proper risk management. And after that, let's go down um, to the 1 hour time frame, which is going to be our last this our last time frame we're going to use for entry. And you're going to find out that in this market, so you're going to find out in this market here that we have this market is currently this market is currently pushing up. If you find out, if you look very well, you find out it's currently pushing up because it's making a higher low here. Because I found out that this weekend you are going to the market is going to break up these levels and go to the resistance which I recently mentioned and begin to rally down. So if you are able to spot this level, what you'll be waiting for at the level at the what you'll be waiting for at the higher at the 4 hours is what you'll be waiting for is just to make sure that the market, if you be patient enough to make sure that the market hits the level of resistance here, and you see kind of you try to break it. I try to break it, but it's not able going to break. It's not going to break it because I believe we are still on the downtrend and going to see something like this market retest. If you're able to enter on this, if you're able to enter on this area, you know that you're going to be making a big profit. And hold and this for you to drive out the juice in this market, you are going to be holding this market for a long time. I'm taking partial profit, moving your stop loss to break even because you are going. This market uh, is going to be something juicy. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you do your own diligence in order to study the chart before taking this particular going to your live account. So, and if based on some people that if you know that uh, you have not subscribed to this for this channel, please help me and hit the subscribe button because it helps us. If you have any question, um, if you have any question to ask, just make sure that you hit the subscribe. You leave on the comment section, leave a like, or if you don't like, if you don't, even if you don't like the video, just leave a thumb down on the video. For account management, you can order this contact. I'm going to leave my contact details on this below the description. So if you have anything like contact, you wish to if you wish to contact for account management, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number on this. So you're going to send me a direct message. We are going to discuss business. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching this video and make sure you drag out all the juicy in this market. Thank you very much.